Mindanao is brimming with potential to become a major cross-border trade and investment hub. We explore opportunities and possibilities with Tandag Chamber of Commerce President John Vincent Pimentel, joining us from Tandag in Surigao del Sur. Thank you so much for joining us, John. First of all, what has been the result of your three-day conference in promoting Mindanao as an investment destination?
Well, the 31st Mindanao Business Conference, I must say, has been quite productive and successful. We did begin with a certain power outage, which was controversial, but such highlighted the need for greater collaboration to improve doing business factors in the island. You know, Mindanao boasts of 27 million, the seventh largest island in the world. And yet, question remains on how we can harness such demographics. The 31st Mindanao Business Conference actually released a 23-point resolution on this regard, laundry list of reforms.
All right. So where are the business opportunities, John, in Mindanao? Where are the areas where there's opportunity for investors?
You know, what most people don't appreciate is the diversity of the flora and fauna, the cultural heritages, and the histories of different localities in Mindanao. And that is the strength of Mindanao. And translating that to economic growth, we can diversify investment portfolio in that regard. So we have aquaculture in Eastern Mindanao, southwestern Mindanao, in Jensan, Western Mindanao is known as tuna canning capitals. Metro Davao is starting also to become a manufacturing hub. Central Mindanao, with the likes of Bukidnon, has always been the hub for massive and conglomerate style of agribusinesses. In northern Mindanao, you also have Butuan, which is a logistical hub, which connects two smaller regional centers. So safe to say that when you want to invest in Mindanao, there's a lot of infinite potentials. All you have to do as an entrepreneur is to manage the risks and to be open-minded with these possibilities.
Absolutely. And there's possibilities in Mindanao, a lot of potential. What about in the sectors of real estate, manufacturing, power, telecommunications? Yeah.
Well, definitely there is an existing perennial power problem in Mindanao. We've been called the business sector. We are an affiliate of the PCCI, and we've been calling strongly for the interconnection of the Mindanao power grid. The power issue in Mindanao is not so much of power generation, but transmission and distribution. So we need to rationalize the cooperative setup as well. We also would like to give a special focus on scaling up mining. I believe that even though it's politically controversial, it remains to be sustainable in providing jobs and local revenues to its local government counterparts. We need to be bolder in attracting investments like integrated steel mills, so we can indirectly regulate export of raw ores. In terms of agribusiness, you have the likes of Butuan City, which just garnered the Bloomberg Award by leveraging digital technology, with its end-to-end AgriBoost mobile app. And in terms of tourism,
John?
You have so much undiscovered gems, especially in farm tourism. The ecology, tourism, convergence programs.
But John, when you mention Mindanao to a lot of foreign investors and fund managers overseas, the first thing that comes to their mind is peace and order. How do you take away that stigma for an inflow, a surge of foreign money into the island?
We are greatly inspired by the peace process developments, specifically with the successful culmination of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao peace process. In fact, BARM, the council, and their Ministry of Trade has been aggressively helping us in benchmarking. And this is what the message that we want to send to the world, to the universe, that Mindanao is transforming, it is changing. Gone are the days when we are still tackling security challenges. In fact, there's a lot of convergence going on in the grassroots, starting from business chambers collaborating with DILG. You have the NTF LCAC that has been positively giving a dent on the insurgency movement. And as we like to say in the private sector, there are out-of-the-box innovations, especially in giving livelihoods to those who feel disenfranchised from the mainstream economy. So we remain positive, we remain undaunted, and remain hopeful. And that reflects our theme for this year, which is a unified Mindanao with bigger aspirations, working hard for better business environment, and pursuing bolder measures for a more inclusive, genuine, and equitable development for all.
So much potential growth in Mindanao. Thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word. Tandag Chamber of Commerce President John Vincent Pimentel.